Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. Today we'll see how we can draw this chess piece in AutoCAD 2D. You can see all the dimensions are mentioned here. So we'll start with the bottom section first. You can see we have this portion which is 26 unit for this line only. The down we will take offset and then we will complete this down section. So let's start. First I will take one line which is 26 unit from here 26. Okay, and then I will take one just middle line for my reference only. Now you can see we have offset here with the 2 units and another offset with 3 units. So I'll take an offset with the 2 unit first and then another offset with the 3 unit. Now we have dimension for this line only. This two line dimension we don't have, but we have this angle they give us here. One angle is there which is 45 degrees. So just I'll draw one more line, round them with any length, and here I'll rotate this line with the base point here with minus 45 degree. So you can see this line rotated. Then I will extend these two lines. Okay. And here I will just drag this section like this. And I will trim this unnecessary lines. So you can see one side is ready. I will just mirror this to another side also from here. And also I will extend these two lines. So the down section is almost ready. Now we can see the height we have from here to here 8.97. So I will take an offset with 8.97 from here to top section. Okay, and here I have this section. The total length of this is 20 units. So I'll just take an offset for the middle line with the 10 units, one side and another side also. Now to draw this arc, we have dimension of the radius only, which is 6. So I will go to arc. Here I will select start, end, and then radius. Okay, so this is the start, this is the end, and radius is 6. And again mirror this like this, enter. Just trim this section which we don't need. Now the next one, you can see we have another two offset, which is one is 1 unit and another is 2 units. So I will just take an offset, one from here to top, and again another offset with the 2 units. And also you can see here this dimension, it is 16 unit. Okay, we can draw an arc also with 2 units, but it will come directly with the 2 units. Let's see. So this is 16, this point from here to here. I will take an offset with the 8 unit from the center to one side and to another side. Okay, and here I'll just draw one circle from here to here with the 2 units. Okay, and then we'll do the trimming job. So you can see this section also is completed. Now I don't need any more of these lines. I'll just mirror this again from here to here. This line no need at all. Here also no need at all, this one. And also I will just trim this one. Okay. Now you can see then we have this section is ready from here, the height, which is 24.06 unit. So I will take an offset from here, 24.06, enter from here to top. Okay. And then here we can see this area from here to here, it is 10 units. So I will take an offset with the 5 5 and 5 from the center line. Okay, and then we will draw an arc again. So this arc again from here, start, end, and radius. So start, end, and radius. I'll just from another side. Radius is 50 unit. Okay. Again, we'll mirror this from here and just no need this line again. This will be deleted. Okay, and trim this line also. Then we have this portion remaining, which is the height is 3.26. So again, offset with the 3.26 from here to top. And you can see this is this line, which is 12 units. So here I will take an offset of the middle line again with the 6 unit. So from here to right side and here to left side. And I will just extend this line. Okay. And I will trim this, which is I don't need anymore. Okay. Also, you can see here the radius is 2. So we need to draw another arc with the 2 units here. Or again from here, start, end, radius, here, here, and 2 units. We'll mirror this again. You can see here mostly we done the mirror job because we draw one section and then we mirror the same. Okay. The last portion, you can see this top. Okay. So first we will see the height. The height from the bottom here, from this line to up, it is 60 units. So I will just take this offset first from here to 60. And then we will draw this as a circle. But this circle, how it will be, you will just come here. You see we have 3 point circle. You will just click on this. This is need to be here, top, and here also. So it will be here, then here, and then here. Okay, and then remove this all lines and also trim this section. So you can see we finish our today drawing. It is exactly the same. You can do the dimension later on, but also we can convert this one to 3D. If anybody want me to make to 3D that, so just put a comment, then I will make another tutorial to convert the same 2D model into 3D. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more AutoCAD tutorial.